Good morning, student. Yesterday I taught you about blood plasma. Today I am going to teach you about blood cells or corpuscles. See, blood corpuscles are of three types. Number one, erythrocytes. Number one erythrocyte, okay? Number one erythrocyte, number two leukocytes, and number three blood platelets. Erythrocytes known as red blood corpuscles which carry respiratory gases. Number two, leukocyte are white blood corpuscles which provide immunity. And number three, blood platelets which take part in blood clotting. Okay? Try to understand about erythrocytes. Erythrocyte is human, erythrocytes in humans are circular biconcave and non-nucleated cell. Red blood cell is biconcave and non-nucleated cell measuring about 7.7 meter in diameter. Their numbers varies in males and females. 5 to 5.5 million per ml in males and 4.5 to 5 million per ml in females. In erythrocyte, a respiratory pigment, that respiratory pigment you all know, that is known as hemoglobin, is found. It gives red color, presentation of hemoglobin give red color to blood. It carries oxygen from lungs to various parts of the body and brings carbon dioxide to lungs it brings carbon dioxide to lungs. When erythrocytes are stopped, okay, when erythrocytes are stacked one above the other like a pile of coins, it is called Rolex. They adhere to each other due to surface tension. RBCs are not true cells because they have no nucleus. The lifespan of red blood cells is about 120 days. Lifespan of red blood cells is 120 days. About 3 million red blood corpuscles die daily, while 4 times of this, about 12 million per second, are produced in the red bone marrow to replace destroyed red blood corpuscles. Therefore, donation of blood is not harmful. As it is replaceable or replaced, it is replaced within a day. Try to understand about leukocytes. What is leukocyte? Leukocytes are white blood cells. In short, you can say WBC, are nucleated and show an amoeboid shape. WBC are colorless. It has no color. They are larger in size than erythrocytes. Mean leukocytes are larger in size than erythrocytes, but are fewer in number. Their number varies from 5,000 to 9,000 per ml of blood. In children, their number is more than the adult. Leukocyte squeeze out of capillaries and reach the site of infection to destroy foreign bodies. When foreign bodies enter in body, that leukocyte destroys them. Leukocyte also manufacture antibodies that are responsible for providing immunity in the body, due to which we are protected from disease and infection ourselves. In fact, the leukocytes are called soldiers of the body. Leukocytes survive for 1 to 4 days. The worn out cells are destroyed in the blood. Okay? Blood platelets. Try to understand about blood platelets. These are small, oval, or biconvex, mean disc-like bodies, which appear spindle shape in profile. These are colorless and have granular, mean it have granular cytoplasm but no nucleus present. These contain a contractile protein called, that protein is known as thromboblast, which is similar to actinomycin. Blood platelets are regarded to the fragment of megakaryocytes, the precursors to while cells are found in bone marrow. They play an important role in blood coagulation. In blood coagulation means in blood clotting after injury. When we receive a cut or wound, when a blood vessel start bleeding, then platelets help to clot the blood, due to which further bleeding stops. The platelets are found in the red bone marrow from stem cell. They survive for 3 to 7 days only. Okay, I hope you understand about platelets. Today's homework, you will write about erythrocyte, leukocyte and blood platelets in your note copy. Thanks for today.